Hello and welcome to Circulate by CDA with me, Stuart Aldis. Today we're going to be talking about advertising on Google. Now, one thing I'm very passionate about is cutting through the jargon. And advertising on Google has so much jargon. The first piece of jargon is, what is it actually called? Some people refer to it as Google Adwords, some people refer to it as sponsored links, some people refer to it as PPC, which stands for pay per click. They are all the same thing. So what is this Google AdWords? Well, if you go onto Google right now and do a search for a product or a service, you're going to get some search results back. The search results you see at the top with the little symbol next to it saying sponsored or ad, and down on the right hand side if you're on desktop, that is Google advertising. It means that some organization has paid to get their search results there. If you look down the page, you'll see the organic search results where people are coming. That's the natural algorithm from Google. That's the natural search engine. But people want to get above that, so they pay Google to get there. Now, how do they pay? Well, it's a bidding engine. So basically, you take a key phrase or a keyword, and you take a demographic, and you say to Google, if anybody searches on this term, in this demographic, I would like my search results to be shown at the top. And the more money you pay for those keywords or key phrases, the higher you come up in those Google AdWords, and on the right hand side as well. So it's a bidding war. You go into a console, you can define who you want to target, and you can pay your money to be on the top. Now that's fantastic, but one thing we have to bear in mind is how effective is where you're driving the traffic to afterwards. So a top tip here, if you are using Google AdWords, top tip number one, please make sure you've got tracking set up so you can track how many people see your advert, that's called an impression, how many people click through, that's called a CTR, click-through rate, and how many people engage with you. So if your engagement is a shopping basket and a checkout and getting an order from a customer, or your ambition is to get a contact form filled out for a new lead generation if you're a B2B company, make sure you've got the tracking set up all the way through so you can track what your users are doing and monitor that tracking. The great thing about digital marketing is you can be very agile and you can adapt your adverts whenever you feel like doing that based on the data. So there's a thing in Google advertising and indeed digital marketing called A/B testing. Another piece of jargon. What does it mean? Basically, it means you can change the content of your adverts to different user groups to see which one is more effective. So if you're doing a Google AdWords campaign, for example, you may change a piece of text. So half of your audience get this piece of text, half of your audience get this piece of text. Which one gives the better conversion? This one does. So you've done A/B testing and you go with this option. And then you A/B test again to see if you can get it to the next level. The next top tip about Google AdWords is make sure where you're driving the traffic, it's optimized to receive that traffic. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you've got an amazing website experience with good call to actions and good data capture, then Google AdWords is going to be a lot more effective than if you've got a poor website that takes a long time to load, doesn't have a call to action such as a contact form or a shopping cart, because you're driving traffic to a poor experience. It's like paying to get people into your shop, and when they come to your shop, there's nothing there for them to do. They're going to walk out of your shop very quickly. So make sure your site is optimized. If you'd like any more advice or tips about how Google advertising works or how it can be more effective if you're currently doing it, please feel free to instant message me and I'm happy to give you some advice, or give us a call at CDA. Thank you very much for watching the video today, and until next time, please take care and stay safe. Thanks for watching.